Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the basics of my digital art process. First, you need a device, something like this, or this. Now you may use whatever medium and technology you want, but today we'll be using a computer. And here's mine. So now that you have a device to work on, you'll be needing one of these as well. This is a drawing tablet. They come in different shapes and sizes, but this is the one I have. You could also use one of these. This is also a graphics tablet, but it has a screen. But they're super expensive, and
Poor!
A mouse may also be applicable, but I don't recommend it.
Unless you're a masochist and want to hate yourself and your art.
Now that we're done with hardware, let's go to software. There are a lot of choices, but I use this one. It costs $40, but
Poor!
So I turned on my hacker mode and
Just kidding.
I just went to some sketchy website and hope I didn't get a virus. Trying out a drawing program may be very intimidating at first when you haven't used one like this before, so let me give you the basics. First, you need a canvas. Simply click on File, then New, or just press Ctrl N. Now choose how big of a canvas you want. We'll go with this one. On the left hand side, you'll see all kinds of assortments of tools and doohickeys. For starters, just choose a brush or a marker. You may also modify each one to your liking. You may set shortcuts to each specific tool for easier access. I set the marker as B and the eraser as E. Now grab your pen and simply draw on the tablet. Here's a rough sketch I've done. Now if you look here, you may add layers to the canvas. You may add as much as you want or need. I usually add one for coloring, shading, and so on. What I'm currently doing here is called the line art, or the final lines you'll be using in the drawing. On top of the brushes, you'll find this wheel, which is used for choosing the color of the brush. This is called the color wheel, and is an essential to digital artists or artists in general. Time to color! Finally, add your finishing touches and voila! Now the last thing to do is press File, Export, and your preferred file type, such as PNG or JPG, and you're done! I hope you guys learned a thing or two, and maybe even put this to use someday.